Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the PS5 is updated, because system updates add wallpaper features and file compatibility. Once done, pick an image with a 16:9 or 3840x 2160 ratio so it fills the screen. That avoids stretching. Then copy the file to a USB drive formatted XFAT or FAT32 and place it in a top-level folder named Images. Make sure the file name has no special characters. This helps the console detect the file quickly and prevents import errors. You insert the USB, then go straight to Media Gallery or Settings, Themes. This is where the PS5 reads external images. Select your image and use the crop/scale tool to position focal points. Doing this avoids important elements getting cut off. Preview as both home and lock screens so you can compare contrast against icons. Once satisfied, apply the wallpaper to home, lock, or both. If icons obscure text, make minor crops and reapply until the layout feels balanced. You finish by optimizing the image if icons or text are hard to read. Adjust brightness or add a subtle vignette so menus stand out. If the console fails to recognize the file, reformat the USB to XFAT, move the image to the root images folder, and rename it using simple ASCII characters. This fixes most detection issues. Finally, reboot the PS5 and confirm the wallpaper persists after restart. If it disappears, repeat the import steps and watch for error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.